Good morning, children. Already we have completed 2 questions in patterns in weather. The remaining 2 questions are: discuss the influence of the direction of wind on the climate of a place. See, children, we have 2 Romans in this lesson. Now I am explaining about 4th Roman questions. See, influence of the direction of a wind. So, children, the wind that blows from the sea towards the land or the shore is known as a onshore wind or sea breeze. See, from sea onwards, wind comes from sea onwards to the earth. That is onshore wind. It carries water vapor from sea and makes the climate in the coastal areas humid. I already explained you, children. For example, Kakinada. So, onshore wind means water vapor carries by the wind. So, it blows from the sea towards the land. So, sea towards the earth or land. That is onshore wind. So, it's the wind fully filled with water vapor and it makes humid. It brings rain also. So even in the summer also they have the rainfall because of humid and temperatures. Okay, nearly 40 degrees above temperature will be there in the coastal area. Okay, now second one. What is offshore wind? The wind that blows from the land towards the sea. So first one is sea to land. Second one is land towards sea. Okay. This wind we called as a onshore wind, and from land to the sea we called as this offshore wind. Okay. The wind that blows from the land towards the sea is known as offshore wind or land breeze. It's a dry because of on the land there is no water content, no children. So there is no much water vapor compared to the sea have the more water, the wind have the more water vapor, but land it's dry. The direction of wind is one of the factor that affects the climate of a place only. Okay, this is the one of the factor, children, the direction of wind. Okay, we have so many reasons. So either it would be a northern India or southern India or hilly region, plateau, plain. Okay, these all regions. Okay, these all reasons are affecting that climate of a place, and one of that reason is direction of wind. Okay, so are you clear, children? So sea towards the land means onshore wind. Land towards the sea is offshore wind. Okay, this is about first question, 4th Roman. Now second question, children. How are latitude and climate of a place related to each other? Yes, see, children, the temperature decreases as we move away from the equator. See, children, let me explain. Here we have our planet. Do you know what is our planet, children? The Earth. Okay. See, this is a 0 degrees latitude. What is this? Equator. So, the temperature decreases as we away from the equator. So, whenever you go to away from the equator, the temperature decreases. Here 0 degrees temperature. That means freezer zone. Okay. This is temperate zone. Latitudes we have 23.5 degrees. 6600 degrees, like that latitudes we have. So when we are away from the equator, the temperatures will decreases. Okay, it increase move near to the equator. So when we are coming near to the equator, the temperature will rises. Okay, children, when we are away from the equator, the temperatures are decreases. When we are move near to the equator, higher temperatures we will receive. Okay, children, that one only here have. It increases move near to the equator because higher latitudes receives less sunlight, the equator receives the more sunlight. I already told you. Okay, here sun, for example sun. the rays will fall directly equator and slanting in north pole and south pole. Okay children, sun rays will fall directly on the equator. Okay, sun rays will fall directly on the equator and the rays will fall slightly, okay, slanting position. See children, this is slanting position now. Yes, slightly on higher latitudes like 90 degrees, 66 degrees, 70 degrees latitudes is slanting position. Okay, slightly rays will fall down, but coming to the equator, directly the sun rays directly will fall. That's why equator gets more heat. Okay, when we are going near to the equator, we may get more heat and more sweat. When we are away from the equator, the temperatures will decreases. Okay children, this is about 2 questions in 4th Roman. Today work is read and learn these 2 questions and practice the spellings also, and then send me through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.